Oh my goodness, I had to endorse this video. It's the first of its kind, and you know, David Chen here, live and direct, raw and uncut, as we call it. But we have got an exclusive, a guy called Dog Rice. Many people call him Anti Dog Rice because he comes with a granny voice. But over the years, he did this ringtone that the world has been going crazy about, the granny ringtone, and I had to really endorse it for you guys properly. So, you know, for those of you who have been listening and who have actually stored and shared this ringtone, I just want to say exclusively, David Chen is bringing to you Dog Rice. Dog Rice,
A
take it
lot of
away.
people been playing my ringtone with the granny voice, and I tell you some I love that because what? Some people say it rude, some people say it nice, some people just love it because they never did know say it was a man who even built it. So now I go see the world I watch me now on YouTube, Facebook, all about Twitter, see me and I say big up Mr. David Chin because them always say the ringtone never know who down. Then things are they do a little old lady to the voice sound. So me I say big up to the whole of Jamaica, and I say it's a taste of our culture and we have big up Paradise View. So it's all about the culture. Yeah, I mean I say I want to go on a little piece of the ringtone, make you know say a whole heap of voice dog rice up in Jamaica. But me I go on the clean version of it. Which one you think them a talk about now? Lord God, something wrong here, man. Where the bleep bleep when I call this phone so often for? This is my phone, you know. It's not yours. Stop dial this bleep bleep number. Every click of the clock of the day. From me see the number with the 5 at the end, me know you again, you know. Where the bleep bleep you call this phone so for? Papa Jesus. I go and call customer care 100. I go and change this what's it not number. Clue.
Yo!
When I say Father D, I know so we have a thing when we do for DJ Kenny with the world and listen all on CD, they need to hear my voice, they need to know so I made with the master thing we go like this. One thing Kwang. Yes, master. You know DJ Kenny? Yes, master. What do you know about DJ Kenny? Master, it's best you fancy you. Fancy you, what do you know about DJ Kenny? Well, do you know the world must know that DJ Kenny is the world greatest and the world mix now. Master, is that true? DJ Kenny, the world greatest CD mix now. Uptown. I don't know that guys have whole heap of voice and me have all my CD them soon come out up and running. So you keep looking. I'm glad for everybody who get entangled with that guy's voice because they will get even nicer. And you don't know, you can look on Facebook and them thing about the greatest thing. Nobody knows me, man. Them think I'm a little old maga woman Billy ringtone, you know. So big up to me big friend, big up the world boss, and big up Mr. David Chin, and you don't know everything okay. We don't know. A Jamaica and a taste of our culture, Paradise View, see there, and big up my friend, Reverend Tish. Everything stylish.
Why you the pussy now? How the pussy go again? How the pussy?
You hungry? You hungry? You want lizard? You don't want a lizard? You want rat? You want cheese and milk? You're too greedy, go find something for yourself, you hear me tell you?
Yes, my brother, give thanks and praise, dog, right?
I went up to the world and